Hi, this is Dylan Malari here with ASU, looking to talk about the Sustain Team project and specifically the TerraGuard robot that is displayed here in front of your screen. It's a rugged vehicle that's supposed to help with protecting the rainforest, making sure there isn't deforestation happening, illegal logging and other things taking place. It also does a lot of probing to sort of inspect the rainforest, make sure things are running as they should. On a quick high level, this device is powered with solar PV panels and a battery that is in the back, or excuse me, in the bottom of the vehicle. The vehicle does have a long claw here to pick up and then put things into the storage bin. It also then has a soil health probe as well. The black dots here are the cameras. It has 360 view all around um, the robot, as well as, obviously 4x4 wheels that can turn with two different motors. And then the blue here is sort of your IR scanners and other sensors. I'm now going to turn it over to the circuit design for the TerraGuard. So you can see here you have the labels, your left and right motor on that vehicle. Also, there are some lights and commands for the camera, storage bin, and IR scanner, as well as some servo motors, four servo motors that help sort of control the claw as well as the different probes. The probe that was there for the soil health. It is powered by a 9-volt battery and connected to an Arduino Uno. So let me hide this now so we can start simulating it and I'll start talking through what we have here. So you have your two motors running. The claws are now up as it starts. You'll see here in the serial monitor, the robot is ready with the claw up. So you can, provide some commands, to start, say, moving things around. You can move the claw forward. You can move the claw backwards. Um, then there's also, you know, another turning it right, left, and so forth. And then also on the probe, if you want to move it forward, if you want to move it back, there's a lot of different ways. You can move it. So that's pretty neat. Now, in addition, you also have your scanners, which I mentioned back in the TerraGuard overview. So if you wanted to say, put in a command, type in something different, you can probe open. You can also turn the cameras on or turn the cameras off if you want to. As you can see, there's resistors here, both in the motors and in the lights, just to regulate the electricity here. I'll put some more commands. Ultimately, this is the idea is that you would have a laptop and you can kind of control it with a laptop or a tablet device, and then you can kind of, have a command you can put in, different, 15, 16, 17, whatever it may be to move it around. So we definitely enjoy that. Open and close the bin. And then finally, if you wanted to turn off or turn on the scanners, excuse me, you can then also turn them back off. So that's the sort of high level view. Let me just walk through the actual code. A lot of it is sort of, on and off, moving, gripping, opening and closing, um, sort of the claws and the probes, as well as moving, here, forward, backwards, there's a little delay as well. I put in 1,000, just so, there's a little delay before things start to, move forward.